Xiaomi is hosting a 10th anniversary launch event on August 11th. Chinese tech company Xiaomi released its flagship smartphone the Mi 10 5G back in the month of May in India. Now, according to reports, the company is set to announce a successor to the smartphone. The new smartphone, called Mi 10 Ultra, is scheduled to launch on August 11th. This launch will take place in China, but it may be released worldwide soon. The smartphone, following tradition, has made appearances online already. These appearances include leaked cases and banner images. Company co-founder Lei Jun has said that this smartphone will mark the 10th anniversary of Xiaomi in the smartphone segment. He shared an image of the box of the phone which says, Mi 10 Supreme Commemorative Edition. According to reports, the smartphone will apparently feature a 120x digital zoom, which is an improvement over the Mi 10. It may also feature a ceramic back and transparent back options. The ceramic edition will apparently feature 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, along with options for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, while the transparent edition may come in a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage and another 16GB RAM and 512GB storage option. One of the biggest highlights of the device is its rear camera setup. There are a total of 4 cameras at the back. The newly launched Xiaomi Mi 10 features a 108-megapixel main camera that employs the ISOCELL Bright HMX sensor from Samsung. The rear camera setup also includes a 13-meg sensor and two 2-megapixel sensors. The phone has 8K video recording support, voice and ISO. On the front, the device packs a 20-megapixel sensor for selfies and videos. It comes with a Pro video recording mode, night mode, portrait mode, RAW mode, and a lot more. So these are the specifications of Mi 10 Ultra. What's your opinion? Comment below. See you next video. Have a great day.